Hey guys, I got another little project here. I use this little GoPro here for doing some filming under the truck and in the truck and this sort of stuff, but not a place I can't get it in because I just don't have the room to get it in. I got the room to get it in, but I have no way of holding it on. Anyway, I came up with this little simple little shit box with a holder. What I did was I just took a 2x3, cut a couple angles on it, put some T-nuts in here. Some people call them lock nuts, but they're actually called T-nuts. Quarter inch threaded stud. And I'm going to throw it on the floor, and then I'm going to screw it together. So simple. And then I can get underneath the truck and put my GoPro different angles, either on an angle here, there, straight, whatever. Anyway, just thought I'd share it with you. Bye. Oh, look who showed up. It's Cohen.
I don't know where I'm going, Cohen.
How's it going, Cohen? Oh, what'd you bring me? You brought me some wood.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Where'd you find that?
Is this at Popeye's place?
At Papa's place.
At Pop? This is Pop's wood. Huh, that's pretty cool. Did you say you could have it, Papa?
Yeah. You can have it.
Okay, you giving it to me or do you want it back? Or you want it back? Yeah. Okay, anyway, I gotta get back to work. See you later, Cohen.
Hey, bye.
Bye. See you soon.
See you soon. Peace, buddy. Hey. Peace.
Peace.
Two.
Peace.